Episode 32, Search Engine Optimization, SEO, Basics. Welcome back to Start Your Business Today. And today we're diving deep into an essential topic for every entrepreneur, Search Engine Optimization, or SEO. By the end of this video, you will understand what SEO is, why it's crucial for your online presence, and how to implement basic strategies to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. SEO definition. Let's start with these basics. Search Engine Optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, or SERPs. When someone searches for keywords relevant to your business, the goal is to appear among the top results. Here are some keywords to define for our discussion. Search engine. A program that searches for content on the internet based on keywords, e.g., Google, Bing. Keywords. Specific terms or phrases that users enter into search engines. Backlinks. Links from other websites to your site, which help increase credibility. Metadata. Information that provides details about a web page. Title tag, meta description. Content. The information presented on your website that is valuable to users. Why SEO matters. Why does SEO matter? Here are a few key reasons. Increased visibility. Higher rankings lead to more visibility, which means more visitors to your website. Credibility and trust. Users trust search engines. Ranking higher suggests credibility and authority in your industry. Cost-effective marketing. Compared to paid advertising, organic traffic from SEO is generally more cost-effective and sustainable in the long term. User experience. Good SEO practices lead to better user experiences on your site, which can improve retention and conversions. Key steps to SEO. Let's break down the key steps to effective SEO. We'll focus on 5 main areas: keyword research, on-page SEO, technical SEO, content creation, and link building. 1. Keyword research. First up is keyword research. This is foundational because you want to know what your audience is searching for. Follow these steps. Brainstorm ideas. Write down potential keywords related to your business. Use keyword tools. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest to discover popular keywords and their search volume. 3. Analyze competition. Check what keywords your competitors are ranking for using tools like SEMrush.4. Focus on long-tail keywords. These are specific phrases that may have less competition and higher intent, such as best running shoes for flat feet. 2. On-page SEO. Next is on-page SEO, which involves optimizing individual pages on your website. Here are the steps. 1. Title tags. Ensure your page title contains your main keyword and is enticing to users. 2. Meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions for each page using relevant keywords. This summary appears in search results. 3. Headers. Use headers H1, H2, H3 to organize content and include keywords. Q1 should reflect the main topic. 4. Content optimization. Naturally incorporate your keywords throughout your content. 5. Alt text for images. Use descriptive alt text for images to help search engines understand what the images are about. 3. Technical SEO. Now let's talk about technical SEO. This refers to optimizing your website's infrastructure. Here's what you need to do. 1. Mobile friendliness. Ensure your site is responsive and works on mobile devices. Site speed. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to analyze your site's loading speed and make improvements. Fast-loading sites rank better. 3. Secure site. HTTPS. Switch to HTTPS to secure your website and gain a competitive advantage. 4. XML sitemap. Create an XML sitemap and submit it to search engines to help them crawl your site efficiently at point 5. Robots.txt. Use a robots.txt file to control which parts of your website you want search engines to crawl. 4. Content creation. Now on to content creation. Content is crucial for SEO. Here's how to create valuable content. Identify user intent. Understand what your audience is searching for and create content that answers their queries. Create high-quality content. Focus on creating informative, engaging, and original content that addresses your audience's needs. Regular updates. Update existing content to keep it current and relevant. Utilize different formats. Mix blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts to attract diverse audience segments. 5. Link building. Finally, we have link building. This involves acquiring links from other websites. Here's how to do it effectively. Create shareable content. Produce high-quality, valuable content that people want to link to. Tool. Outreach. Reach out to industry influencers and relevant sites to share your content. Personalize your emails for better responses. 3. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for reputable blogs in your niche to earn backlinks. 4. Utilize social media. Share your content on social platforms to increase visibility and the likelihood of earning backlinks. Tools and resources. Now that you know the key steps, let's look at some tools and resources that can help with your SEO journey. Google Analytics. Track website performance and user behavior. Google Search Console. Monitor your site's presence in Google SERPs and identify issues. SEMrush and Ahrefs. Use these for keyword research, backlink analysis, and competitive insights. Yoast SEO. Perfect for WordPress users to optimize on-page SEO effectively. Common SEO mistakes. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some common SEO mistakes to avoid. Ignoring mobile optimization. With the rise of mobile searches, having a mobile-friendly site is crucial. Over-keywording. Keyword stuffing can harm your ranking. Use your keywords naturally. Neglecting metadata. Always optimize titles, descriptions, and alt text. Failing to update. Content. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your content competitive. Closing. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the basics of search engine optimization. Start implementing these steps today to improve your website visibility and attract more visitors. Remember, SEO is a long-term game, so be patient and stay consistent. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tips on growing your business. Have questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and let's get your business found online.